Welcome to this section. In this section, we are going to look at that how can we protect the sheets and range in the Google Sheet. As the first part, we are going to look at that how can we protect the sheet. If you want to protect the sheet, we have to have a two account to show in a deep manner how to protect the sheet in a Google Sheet, right? So I'm going to come to the Google homepage of the Google Sheet, and you can see that this is the owner account, that is Ahmed 325432 account. Now I'm going to open my other temporary account, right? I'm going to open other account, that is Best Excel Learners, right? This is the best excel course at gmail.com, right? The owner of this spreadsheet is Ahmed 325432, and the best excel course at gmail is the first user, right? So I'm going to show you how can we protect the sheet, right? I'm going to go to the owner workspace and I'm going to click the protect shown details in 2024 March. If you want to protect the sheet, we have a three-way. The first way, you can go to the data and you can see that protect sheets and range. If I click the protect sheets and range, the protected sheets and range window, it will be pop up and you can protect the sheet. This is the first way. The second way, if you right click inside the spreadsheet, you can see that the last one is view more cell action. Under the view more cell action, you can see that protect the range. So if I click the protect the range, protected sheets and range option, it will come. The third way, if you come to the sheet area, you can right click this one. If you right click, you can see that protect the sheets, right? These three way you are able to protect the sheets and range. Now I'm going to show you how can we protect the sheet. This is the owner workspace, that is the Ahmed 325432. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to protect this sheet. How can we protect the sheet? It's a very simple. I'm going to protect the sheet and also I'm going to share with the first user, that is the best excel learners at gmail.com, right? So how can we protect the sheet and share with the best excel learners at gmail.com? It's a very simple. First I'm going to apply the first way, that is go to the data and I'm going to click the protect sheets and range, and I'm going to click the add a sheet or range. If I click the add sheets or range, and you can see that the range and sheet options are available. Now I'm going to show you how can we protect the sheet. If I click the sheet, you can see that protect details sheets available here. If you have a more sheet, for example, if you have a more sheet, it will show there. It has only one sheet. I'm going to be clicked right now. There are two sheets available. If I click here, there are three sheets available, right? There are three sheets available. But I want to protect which sheet? Protect details sheet, right? So I'm going to select the sheet, right? And then I'm going to click the set permission. If I click the set permission, you can see that the range editing permission option, it will come, right? So if you look at this one, there are two options available. Show a warning when editing this range, right? The second one is restrict who can edit this range. So if I select this one, what will happen? Just showing the warning message when we type the sheet. So I will show you. I'm going to click the done button and the changes are saved, and I'm going to share this file into bestexcellearners.com. So I'm going to click the share button. I'm going to search the person best excel course at gmail.com, right? Best excel course at gmail.com. I'm going to type the message here. This is the product details. and I'm going to be send this one. If I click the send button, what will happen? This Excel sheet I shared with the best Excel course at gmail.com. You can see I'm going to click this one, and I'm going to go to the email. I'm going to go to the email, and if I click the email, you can see that my Gmail account, it will open, right? And you can see that a spreadsheet share with protect sold details, and I'm going to click this one. And Ahmed Mubin shared the spreadsheet, right? And I'm going to open this spreadsheet, right? I'm going to open the spreadsheet, and you can see that if I type anything else inside this range, what will happen? Just warning, it will show, right? I'm going to show you what's the warning it will come, right? For example, if I double click, you can see the warning message, it was come there. So this is the first way that protect the sheet with a warning. The second way, I'm going to go to the owner's workspace. So this is our owner workspace, right? And you can see here the product details with a warning. Just warning, it's a pop up. But if you don't want to edit anything else in this sheet, you can change the setting. How can we change the setting? It's a very simple. I'm going to be click this one, right? And I'm going to be come here, and I'm going to change the permission. The permission is restrict who can edit this range, and I'm going to be select that only you. If you select the only you, the owners only can edit this sheet, nobody can edit the sheet, right? If I select restrict who can edit this range, only you, the owners only edit the range, nobody can edit the range. I'm going to be click the done button. If I click the done button, the changes are saved. After that, if you go there in the first users area, I'm going to go to the first users area. This is best Excel course at gmail.com. If I try to edit anything else in this sheet, it will not allowed. I'm going to show you. If I double click and enter anything else, we can't enter anything else. You can see I select and I try to edit, but it will not change because we have protect this sheet. Sometimes if you want to protect the sheet, but some ranges only are editable one, how can we set up? It's a very simple. I'm going to go to the owner workspace, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be protect the sheet with some ranges only editable one. How can we change? It's a very simple. I'm going to click this one. If I click this one, there is a one option is except certain cell. If I click this option, we have to select the range which you want to edit the users, right? So I'm going to select the range. I'm going to select the range. This range only can edit, right? But this product and regions are nobody can edit. As well, the sheets are cannot be edited, but only the user can edit unit sold. So I'm going to set up like that, right? And I'm going to be click OK. Now I'm going to be click the done button. If I click the done button, what will happen? From C5 to C10 only editable one, the users, but other rest of the cells are cannot be edited one. I'm going to show you. I'm going to go to the users area, and here you can't edit one. You can't edit. You can see there was a problem. You're trying to edit protected cell or object. Please contact the spreadsheet owner to remove protection if you need to edit. But here it will not pop up. You can edit this one because we have set up that one. So you can change this one, for example, 253 and 65, and here 85, it's 95, it's 100, but the rest of the cells are you cannot be added, right? So this is how you can protect the sheet